Many congratulations, Mimidi. I'm so happy for you. Mimidi, how would you like to describe your journey in film so far?
Shubho Shondha Shokolke, good evening. I would like to hold my award because it's very rare that I get awards and I'm on stage receiving an award. Mostly I give away awards. But yeah. So jokes apart, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this award. I'm not letting it go because I have been fortunate enough to be a part of this award for a couple of years, and every time I used to be on stage and give away this award to these glorious women achievers, and my heart used to pound with pride. And at the same time, I used to think that one day, I used to manifest that literally, that one day I would like to take this lady home. So this is that day. And এই অ্যাওয়ার্ডটা আমি যাদের সাথে পাচ্ছি, যে মহিলাদের সাথে পাচ্ছি, যাদের সাথে শেয়ার করছি, আমার মনে হয় না আমার ওই যোগ্যতাটা আছে এখনো, কারণ কি তারা আইকনস। সো কংগ্রাচুলেশনস টু অল অফ ইউ। আর